In today's video, I am going to teach you how to see Gmail password in laptop and PC full guide. This method uses Google Chrome and the built-in Google Password Manager. It only works if you previously saved your Gmail sign-in details in Chrome on this computer. Also, for security, you will need access to your computer login like your Windows or Mac password or PIN to reveal any saved password. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where you can access your browser settings. From that menu, select Settings. In the Settings area, find and open Autofill and Passwords. Then choose Google Password Manager. This is where Chrome keeps the usernames and passwords that you have allowed it to save. Now you should see the Password Manager page with a search bar. Use that search bar to look for the Gmail entry by typing google.com or gmail.com. As you type, Chrome will filter the saved logins to match what you entered. Take your time here, because you might have more than one saved account, especially if you have signed into multiple Google accounts in the past. When you see the correct entry, click on the specific account listing that matches the one you want. This will open the details page for that saved login, where you can view the username and the hidden password field. At this point, Chrome will protect your information. To continue, enter your Windows or Mac login password, or your device PIN depending on what your computer asks for. This step is important because it prevents other people from viewing your saved passwords if they use your computer. After you confirm your computer login, look for the eye icon next to the password field. Click the eye icon to reveal the saved password. Make sure you are in a private space when you do this and avoid sharing your screen if you are on a call or recording. Once you have checked the password, you can close the Password Manager tab or move away from the page to keep your account secure. That covers everything you need to know.